Tineco Ifloor 2, Cordless Wetdry Vacuum Cleaner Blue. Conquer messes. Tired of the endless cycle of vacuuming then mopping? What if you could do both at once? Let's dive into the Tineco Ifloor 2, Cordless Wetdry Vacuum Cleaner Blue Complete and see if it's the cleaning game changer you've been waiting for. The Tineco Ifloor 2 Complete is a cordless wet-dry vacuum designed for hard floors. It vacuums and washes simultaneously, cutting your cleaning time in half. Perfect for busy families, apartment dwellers, and pet owners. This innovative cleaner tackles wet and dry messes on sealed hard floors. Think hardwood, tile, laminate, vinyl, and even marble. Say goodbye to sticky spills and pesky pet hair with this all-in-one solution. Always clean with fresh water thanks to the dual tank system. This separates clean and dirty water, preventing you from spreading grime around. Enjoy streak-free drying with up to 90% water recovery. The self-propelled design makes maneuvering a breeze. It's lightweight and cordless, so you can easily clean stairs and reach every corner. Plus, the self-cleaning function keeps maintenance mess-free. With over 33,000 reviews and a 4.1-star rating, the Ifloor 2 is making waves. Users rave about its effectiveness on toddler messes and ease of use. One reviewer even said it's great for those with back problems. However, some users report issues with durability and water leakage. Battery life also receives mixed feedback. It's important to consider these points before making a purchase. You can find the Tineco Ifloor 2 Complete on Amazon. Check out the product page for the Tineco Ifloor 2 on Amazon for the latest price and deals. You can also visit the Tineco store on Amazon to explore other cleaning solutions. The Tineco Ifloor 2 Complete offers a convenient way to clean hard floors. It's perfect for those seeking to save time and effort. While there are some concerns about durability, the positive reviews highlight its effectiveness. Ready to ditch the traditional mop and bucket? Click the link in the description to check out the Tineco Ifloor 2 Cordless Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner Blue on Amazon. Read more reviews, compare prices, and decide if it's the right cleaning solution for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and cleaning tips.